Okay, so we're going to try to do our anchoring experiment virtually. It's a little bit harder than it would be in class because we can't get that direct interaction. I tried with some H5P content experimenting with it, but I really can't find a way to exactly make this work. So I'm just going to make a video with some pauses in there where you write down your answers and then think about it. So imagine you are shopping for a party that you plan to host tonight. How many bottles of soda do you intend to purchase and why? So just think about it. You have some random party that you're going to host tonight. You have some friends coming over. How many bottles of soda are you going to purchase? Write it down. Okay. Now imagine that you see this ad, 10 for $10 with a, savings card from like Weiss or Giant or something like that. Does that change your answer? So if you see this ad in the store, how many bottles of soda are you going to purchase? Why did it change your purchasing decision? Did seeing 10 for $10 make that become an anchor for you? Okay, now this applies more to ladies than men, but would you spend $50 on high-heeled shoes? Gentlemen, imagine this is like some sort of fundraiser. You need to wear high-heeled shoes around for a day to raise money for a good cause. So would you be willing to spend $50 on high-heeled shoes? Why or why not? Okay, now imagine that we're in Marshalls and we see high-heeled shoes. These are the red bottom ones, so that's the fancy brand. I don't remember where it's going to be over $100 and you can get them for $50. Is that a good deal now? Why or why not? Does seeing that new price that it should be higher, does that make you more comfortable spending $50? All right, you purchased one share of Apple 1 year ago for $113.46. What is your best estimate of Apple's share price today? 6 months ago, Apple's share price was $145.10. Does this change your answer for your estimate of Apple's share price today? So does your estimate go up because you are now seeing a higher number? If today's share price is 165.89, do you think this price is trading up or down today versus yesterday? And you can see here the answer. It was actually trading down from yesterday, but this is an old slide, so that's from 2017. So you can go and think about how has this affected how does this information affect your estimate of what Apple's share price actually is today? And you can look that up to see.